Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and delete applications on your iPhone devices permanently. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now this step is really plain and simple, so let's jump straight into the video. So first things first, I have my applications inside right here. Of course, I am inside the home screen of my iPhone device. So to properly delete the application, you can just go ahead and choose any applications that you have right here. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and delete the application called Epidemic Sounds. So it's this one. And after that, you now have the remove application. Just go ahead and click on remove application. And after clicking delete app, you need to go ahead and confirm this by clicking on the delete button once more. And in that way, you will be able to delete applications permanently on your iPhone devices. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.